In this video, I'll be showing you how we can go about creating a multiple choice examination for students to take. So once we log in and we're on the dashboard, we'll go ahead and identify the subject that we'd like to create the exam for. We click on the view button within the actions column, and as usual, we're taken to the subject information page. From here, we click on online exams tab, and we can go ahead and create a new examination. To create a new online exam, we just click on the create button at the top, and we're taken to the create page. So from here, we put in our exam title. So let's say it's a mock exam. Number 1. And we'd select a category, whether it's a class test, end of term, or just a quiz. So let's say it's a class test. If we have a description, then we can put in a description. We'd select our pass mark. So what is the minimum mark a student can get before they pass the subject? So let's say 51. We put in a percentage of the final. So let's say it's worth maybe 10%. We'd select a start date. So when is the exam? And once we select a start date, when the exam will start, which day, we'll go ahead and select at what time. So let's say it's starting at maybe 9 a.m. So boom. 9 a.m. And then we'd select a schedule type. Now there are two types of schedule, whether it's fixed or flexible. If you select a fixed schedule, then the examination will start and end on the same day within the amount of duration, whether it's a 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, 2 hour, 3 hour, and so forth. However, if you select a flexible exam, then the examination can run from the day that you selected to maybe 2 to 3 days after. However, with fixed flexible examination, even if it starts on the 25th and it's ending on the 26th, once the students start the examination, then they'll only be able to be a part of the exam for the duration that you specified. So let's just say that this is a fixed examination. It's for an hour and a half, and we can see the end time. So for multiple choice examination, you can allow instant marking. Once you click allow instant marking, the software would mark the examination for mark the student submission for you instantly, so you don't have to go ahead and mark it. So but this only works for multiple choice exams. We can then go ahead and say if we want students to review their submission. So let's say yes. And should we allow students to see their scores? Yes. Once you're finished, we can then go ahead and click save. And we've just created an exam. However, we haven't added any question to this exam. So to add a question, after we click save, we're taken to the exam question builder page. We go ahead and click add new question, and then we can put in our question. So let's say what is, for our question, what is 1 plus 1? How much mark this question is worth? So let's say 1. And the rank would be whether it should be the first, second, or third or fourth question. And from here, we can go ahead and put our various options. So let's say for the first answer, we put 4. And the rank again is whether we want this to be the first answer available or the second for the students to select. And whether this is the correct answer or not. However, 1 plus 1 is not 4, so we wouldn't say that this is the correct answer. We can say that answer 2 is 2, rank 2, and yes, this is the correct answer. However, if we have more options, then we can just go ahead and click add answer, and it would add another space for us. We can say 8, add next one, let's say 7, and once we're finished, we can then go ahead and click save. We can then go ahead and add another question. So let's say add question. We can say what is, let's say x equal 4, y equal 3. And then our question can be what is x plus y, and we can just bold this for the students. Well, can't, but we can see what is x, what is y, what is x plus y. We'd select our marks. Let's say this question is worth 5 marks, and we go ahead and put in our options. So let's say 5, what is correct or not. Let's say 9, We can then go ahead again and add other options. So let's say this one is 7, and yes, this is the correct answer. We can go ahead and add a next option. So let's say 3. And once we're finished, we click Save. After we finish and we're ready to publish our exam, and we've reviewed all our questions and everything look correct, we can then go ahead and click on the Publish Examination. Once you publish the examination, students will be able to start and view the question during the start and end time of this that you've set. So if we click Publish, it asks us if we'd like to publish the exam, and we click Proceed. And if we go back to online exams, we get to see a list of all our exams. And if we click on this paper icon, it shows us a preview of what the students get to see, except without the correct answer. So only the teachers get to see what the correct answer is. So teachers, that is how we go about creating a multiple choice examination.